I came to you. You know exactly why I'm here. I could kill you right away, but I won't. I will make you suffer by penetrating your dreams and thoughts. You will suffer every day when you see me. You realize what you've done. I assure you.
Hey, is there anyone in this bedroom? Come out. We need to talk about something. Or can I log in? Okay, I'll wait for you. Come on, hurry up. If you don't come out for a long time, I'll come in myself. Alright, you asked for it. I'm coming into the room. Don't pretend. I know you're awake.
Hi, I can take your stuff for a little while. I'll get them back, I promise you. Thank you very much. I need them, my house burned down with all my things. You must understand me.